Welcome to KBN's Bolaram, and this is Akhil Singh, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Bolaram. And good morning, friends. And now this is a Diksha courses. And now hello, let's start now. Nishta ECCE 4.0 course number 1, significance of the yearly years. And please like, comment, and share this channel, and also subscribe the channel. And thank you. And now next to first question. First question is, what is the age group when cognitive functions are at the peak in children? Now answer will be before 6 is your screen. And now second question is, as per NEP 2020, the age group covered under the foundational stage is. Answer will be 3 to 8 years. Now next question is, what is the suggested age group for the children to start with early primary grades? Now answer will be 6 to 8 years. Next question, what stage of education is the early childhood care and educational being considered? Answer will be foundational stage. Now next question is, the importance of play in early childhood education cannot be underestimated because play is essential to. Answer will be child's growth and holistic development. Answer on your screen now. And now next question is, identify from the following the correct option for how children learn. Answer on your screen, children learn through doing things and experimentation. Now next question is, according to the neuroscience research, between which age group the early childhood has a tremendous brain development? Answer will be birth to 5 years. Answer on your screen. Now next question is, which among the following is not a domain for holistic development? Answer will be enjoyment. Question is, Anganwadi workers and educators need to have creativity, adaptability, responsibility, resourcefulness, and. Answer will be patience. Now answer is at on screen now. Now next question is, the rate of development is relatively more rapid at which age? Answer will be first 2 years. Now next question is, what is the correct representation of the orderly appearance over time of physical structures, psychological traits, behavior, and ways of adapting to? Answer will be development. Now next question, what is the 2 to 3 years age period when the child moves from dependence to dependent functioning and self-care called toddlerhood? Next question, the period from dash to dash is known as early childhood. Answer, birth to 5 years. Next question, which part of the human body is considered to be the command center? Answer will be a brain. Question is, the focus of early childhood education at the Anganwadi is. Holistic development of the child is the answer. That is on your screen. And now next question is, what is the correct name for the period when a child's brain is ready to absorb and learn quickly? Now answer will be sensitive period. The question is, early experiences are important in shaping. Answer is the young brain. The question is, the neuroscience perceptive advocates ECCE upon the idea of. Answer will be, early child are critical for both mental and physical development. Now next question is, which among the following is not an educational concept? That will be the answer, environmental concept. Question, early childhood education ECE encompasses all forms of education, both formal and informal, providing to young children up to approximately of 300. Answer is on screen. Now answer will be there, 5 years. Question is, which of the following is not true in the contact of 6 to 8 years old. Answer will be development of concept and problem solving skill based on the experience of that age. Now next question is at your screen. What stage of education is the early childhood care and education being considered? Answer will be a foundational stage. Question is, which of the following is not in the domain of development? Answer will be a creative and aesthetic appreciation. Now next question is, next question is this. Name the most important microsystem of the child apart from home. Name the most important. Then answer will be Anganwadi. Simple. The foremost important ethical behavior of the Anganwadi workers involves. Answer will be providing care as well as learning opportunities to the children in a safe, healthy, nurturing environment of Anganwadi. And now next question is on your screen now. This. Which of the following age groups is not included in the foundational stage of NEP 2020? Answer will be a 6 to 8 years. Next question. The proactive involvement of which group is most important for achieving ECE universal with quality as vision through the NEP 2020? Sorry. Answer will be a teachers, educators and parents. Question is, according to NEP 2020, how many years are covered under the foundational stage of education? Answer will be a 5 years. Next question is, early childhood care and education ECCE can be explained as. Answer will be a bunch of processes and mechanisms that sustain and support development during adolescence years of the life. Next question is, the rate of development is relatively more rapid at which age? Answer will be a first 2 years. Question is, what is the full form of ICDS? Integrated Child Development Service will be the answer. And the next question is, which pathway start developing before the birth of a child? The answer will be a sensory. Question is, as per NEP 2020, what is the primary age group considered for the preschool program under the foundational stage? Answer will be 3 to 5 years. Next question is, which among the following is not considered part of human brain development? Then the answer will be a roadway. Next question, the importance of play in early childhood education cannot be underestimated because play is essential too. Then answer will be a child physical and cognitive development. Next question is, at the ECCE stage, play helps as an important pedagogy in what? The answer will be holistic development. Next question is, an Anganwadi worker should be actively involved in which of the following? The answer will be providing age and developmentally appropriate play experiences to children. Now next question. Now there is no question. Now this is a Nishtha and 4.0 series. Please subscribe this channel and thank you to all.